Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I have this this really nice, colorful, easy look for you guys. Something very simple, but still playing with colors here and there, and I really love how it turned out. Something simple, but flirty, so to say. But yeah, rocking the natural hair again. I'm gonna try and come here with hair tutorials. This is a decent attempt at a twist out, not really all that, but this is first day hair, so let's see how it pans out. But anyways, if you want to see how I achieved this really nice look here, please keep on watching. So I'm starting out on moisturized face. I usually moisturize my face with aloe vera gel toner and moisturizer, and then I'm using this Estee Lauder Mattifying Primer to prime my face together with my Becca primer. Sorry, my voice is a bit groggy. I'm just like waking up not long ago, and this is like the first thing I'm doing after praying. Anyways, so I am putting the Becca on my T-zone, and now I'm gonna use my all-time favorite Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation in the SPF 15 in 10.25. Now I'm just using my beauty blender to kind of blend that all over my face, and I'm starting with the perimeters of my face, and then I'm going to the my main face area, and I'm just buffing that in using my LA Girl in Chestnut. It's the same routine, you guys, but I love Chestnut. Toast is supposed to be darker than Chestnut, but Chestnut has a yellow undertone that I really like, so I like to use this a lot. And then I'm just cleaning underneath my brows. I'm not using it as my eyeshadow base, but I'm just cleaning underneath my brows with that. I'm just using the beauty blender to blend this out. Sorry if it's too sped up, you guys, but it's pretty much the same routine I do all the time for my face. I mostly just change the eyeshadows, and I just change the products that I use. That's it. So I have a detailed foundation routine that I will leave at the end of the video or in the description box. Anyways, oh my goodness. So I usually mix my my Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium. That's the brown one, and my Airspun translucent powder in the extra translucent. I think that's the one. But yeah. Now going into my Morphe 35 OM palette, I am going to contour my face, just dipping and dabbing in all those brown shades there. That's what I do. There's no particular one I use. I just touch in that motion, the circular motion. Then I'm cleaning that immediately, cleaning underneath that contour, just to create like a nice sharp, not too sharp, so that's why I take it out immediately. I'm just using my powder brush without any powder, and I'm just taking that out using my MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix NW58 powder. I'm just gonna blend my whole face together. I'm just pinching the brush I used to contour my nose. I'm just pinching it so I could get a nice contour for my nose. And I just go back with some more contour again, just cause most times in the process of the whole powder thing, kind of lose that, so just a little bit. Then I'm going back with my powder brush to blend. Now taking my MAC Paint Pot in Groundwork, I'm just using my fingers to just apply that lightly on my eyes, so I can use it as my eyeshadow base. I've been liking this one lately. I've had it for a while. I just never used to use it, but now I figured out how to use it, because before it wasn't really working for me, but I really like it now. Going into my masquerade palette by JUVIA'S base, I'm taking that pink and I'm using a dense brush, and I'm just packing and I'm dabbing that, and I'm lightly blending it upwards. So this is the only color I used on my eyelid itself. So I'm just packing it, and then when I'm going upwards I blend it out lightly. And now I'm using a brush without any product on it to just blend out the ends so there are no harsh lines. So I just go back and forth with the dense brush and the blending brush. And going into this bluish, purplish blue, I'm gonna start with that one and put that at the outer part. So I'm kind of like, I don't know, painting underneath my lower lash line, so to say. Now I'm taking that blue color. The first one was like a bluish purple. This one is like a blue, kind of like the color of my shirt. And then putting that in the center, and then I'm taking the green and I'm putting that, you know, I was gonna do a cut crease initially, then I was like, I don't have time, so this was the concept I came up with. And I prefer it actually, because cut crease would have just been too hectic and would have taken my time. Not too hectic, but I just don't have the time for it. Anyways, taking that whitish one, I'm just putting that in the inner corners of my eye, and I'm sort of blending it with that green. And I'm taking this NYX white gel liner for my waterline, and I'm just putting that in my waterline. Taking my Wet n Wild liquid liner, very inexpensive, it was less than $2. I'm just lightly lining my lash line because I'm not creating a wing. I just want my lashes to look neat when I put them on there. Going into my JUVIA'S base Saharan Blush 2 palette, I'm just going to use that color to highlight my entire face. So starting with my brow bone, you can see me using this to kind of clean up on underneath my brows, and I'm going to highlight my face with that as well. Now I'm gonna go into my Sleek Cosmetics blush palette. I forgot what number this is. I got this a long time ago, and I'm just going to blush up my face. I first went with the pink, and now I'm putting the peach one or the orange one on top of that. Then I go back with a little bit of highlight just to bring out the highlight again, and my contour brush without adding any contour product. I just kind of bring out the contour just so everything blends properly. Now I'm gonna spray my NYX setting sprays, the matte and the dewy one. You guys know I love these two setting sprays. They're just perfect for, I don't know, if you want to get the glow but still remain like matte, not too oily. It's just perfect. So I combine the matte, first go with the matte and then the dewy one. And I'm just using my Maybelline, or is it the L'Oreal? No, it's a Maybelline mascara. Sorry I didn't show it, but yeah, it's the, I forgot the name, but it's the mascara. And I do a double coat for my lower lashes to bring it out, so I don't put lashes in my lower lash line, because people ask me that sometimes. I just do a double coat. Using my Wet n Wild brow pencil in dark brown, I'm lining my lips with that because that's what I always use. And then I'm gonna use my Anastasia lipstick in sepia. I really love this, guys. It gives me a perfect nude anytime, no matter which gloss I combine it with. It's just perfect. And my Fenty Gloss Bomb, I just wanted to keep this one simple, so I'm just applying my Fenty Gloss Bomb on top of that, and that is the look, you guys. So this is the finished look, guys. You know, something very simple and sultry. So yeah, please don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and please yeah, give this video a thumbs up. I think that's the same thing as like. But most importantly, please don't forget to leave a note exist, okay? Make it a conscious effort. It is hard, I'm not gonna lie, it is hard, because sometimes we're just like an autopilot mode, but do things that make you happy, okay? Life is too short. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, I hope to see you back again in my next video. Listen, English is hard, okay? But anyways, if you did enjoy this video, please come back again, because I will be bringing out more videos, okay? Bye guys, and I will see you in this video.